This project just ticks so many boxes. It's so exciting that we're seeing new technologies, some changes with digitalization that are actually making some big improvements in productivity.
The digitalisation of what we do helps us create this seamless environment from when an engineer's first conceptualising and designing a part, to sharing that with potential suppliers, to sharing that onto our manufacturing floor and with the team who are actually putting the vehicle together. So it saves us time, improves our productivity, and at the end of the day helps us deliver a product at a lower cost.
HSV have said we've got now a complex environment. To be competing in Australia, we have to do many more parts, many more variants of what we're doing. And to manage that complexity, they've realised that they need a much bigger framework to get that done, to have all of the interacting parts being run efficiently.
In general, a country which cannot manufacture has lost its plot. HSV is a great example of a not too large company who, thanks to digitalization, can actually enter into global value chains and to compete on value, not on cost.
Advanced manufacturing is not just about what, it's about how you manufacture. So that applies across all industries. This is not simply something that you say automotive industry manufacturing, it's a capability that you apply in a specific field.